Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this video about the yen index and yen pairs trades. So let's get started. Basically, what happened yesterday between last Friday and yesterday. So this is the yen index weekly chart I made week before the last week on the 7th February over the weekend on Sunday, and I gave it to my subscribers that this is probably going to happen, and if it does happen, then what happened is that the yen is going to get weaker and all yen pair will be going to the upside. So what happened to this chart so far as of yesterday is this. So on the 15th, yesterday I recorded it even went higher a little bit. I think it's around, it touched 55, just like, into this area basically. It's here and it's just staying there. So 55.38 is touched, 78% is touched, 78% was 55.36. So obviously, the beauty about this watching the index, because index is like an individual currency, but you have several pairs of that currency. So if index move, all the pairs move, including that having that currency. Like yen going to the upside means yen is getting weaker, and yen is always on the right hand side on each and every pair. So all of those pairs will be going to the upside, right? So what happened to this chart is this. So obviously all the yen pairs supposed to go to the upside. So let's see what happened yesterday. How many trades I had? Some of those trades I closed on Monday, but the entry was on Friday, and for some reason, for some kind of like family matter, emergency, so I wasn't available to close the trade, so I held them over the weekend and closed yesterday. So let's take a look one by one. So pound and basically this is the 20-minute version of the same pound. Yen index, right? So this was a before chart. I made this chart that from here we're gonna be going up 55.25, or the next line. I forgot to write down the number. I'll write down the number here. Was 38, 55.38. That this line, right? So, and that's where, and then look what happened here. So it went straight up there, and then it went up even higher and touched the 55.38, and now pushed down back here again in between that, right? So now that's where we are. But doing so, what happened? Like I said, that when the index is yen index going up means yen is getting weaker, and all yen pair will go up. So here is one of them: Aussie yen 20-minute 100 pip. Right, beautiful setup. My Magic IB setup by the book. I do not take any trade without the setup. I have to have the setup, right? So this is the one. Euro yen, beautiful long setup, and boom, 110 pip. Buy order and SL break, move to break even. Here USD yen, right? Long setup here, and buy order here, 70 pip, even though it went up a little bit more. And then pound yen 7. Now this one you can see that I had it on Friday, even Thursday actually, and then this is the Friday, and then this pair is keep going to the upside. The reason I got in early and then held it is this. Let me show you the weekly chart of pound yen. This is the chart, pound yen weekly chart I made, and I on the 7th Feb, the same time, and I was anticipating that this thing will go up to 48.19, as I wrote on this chart. 44.95 is the key number, may want to go to 48.19. So obviously we are going very powerfully, and I have the idea that it might end up going to 48. I want to hold on to it, right? So, but I close it after like 180, enough, right? And then if I get a chance to tomorrow again, or maybe tonight, then I'll get in again. So this is what happened. That's why I held it. And a lot of people ask me that why don't not close, and why I hold on to the trades to 150, 200 pip. That's the reason. If you understand that where the heck this thing is going, where it's going from, and where to, and what is the daily range, and how powerful this pair is, you don't expect that from Euro USD, right? On a daily basis. But yeah, you can expect that from pound yen, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound Aussie, something like that. So this is what happened there, and those were the yen pairs. And other than that, okay, this one, you see that? This is what happened to it. This was the before. It was here. I think it's like 44.90, and when I close it, it was 46.51. Right, and it's keep going, by the way, right? So it is a powerful, target at 48.19. We will go there, not maybe today. It may retest a little bit and then go back up again tomorrow. Let's see what happens. And then I had some other pairs, some trades like this one, a Euro Aussie. It was also entry was last Friday. I couldn't close it, but I closed it today. 55.92 was the target, and I closed exactly at the target. Right, because usually what happens is that once you reach something like that, you bounce from there, right? So who wants that? And then here you can see pound USD, right? It was keep going up. Pound was getting strong. Pound yen, you just saw what happened to it. So here's a buy order by the book entry and gone with the wind. And now here you can see this one here, another one, USD CAD. Again, the entry was Friday and I closed yesterday. And after that, you can see pound strength. All pound pair went up, and pound Uzi was entry was Monday and closed on Monday, only for 50 pip. There is a reason for that because there is a weekly TL coming exactly, and this pair went and hit the TL. So it's like 6, 7 trades. Basically, I think 8 or 9 trades closed yesterday. Some of them from yesterday, some mostly from entries for last Friday. But this is how it is. And basically, Aussie dollar index did the same thing. Euro Aussie. I'll make a separate video. I'm not gonna show it here. So yeah. So this is how the yen index chart hit the target and moved in my direction and gave me 4 beautiful pair, including pound yen for 180 pair. Right. So this is what the power of index. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful the rest of the trading day.